What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Dalen the GOAT, and I am back at it with another video. And today we have some real deal heat. I say this a lot, but this is a really sought after collection that a lot of collectors that just got into the game don't have. Well, I got in the game about like last year, but this is a pack that I missed out because I joined at the beginning of 2021. So without further ado, we're about to get into this unboxing. Y'all finna see what type of heat that we have in this box today. First and foremost, y'all see me matching right here, so let me get into this fitted of the day. Today we got this super clean Detroit Tigers from Sports World 165. I repeat that, Sports World 165. Go ahead and follow them on Instagram. They always dropping heat. And this is one of the other places besides Hat Club that I buy from, and I've been buying from since I started collecting. This pack came out about last year. Everybody goes crazy over the Detroit Tigers. Nowadays it's kind of like a slick. It was played out like a couple months ago because everybody kept making them. But shout out to Sports World for this super clean pink fitted cap with the icy blue bottom. This was a real sought after hat in that little pack that they dropped. Super glad I could get it. White sweatband. Real dope hat. I don't know, worn this probably about what, maybe 10 times. This, I really like the hat. This is one of my first. Next, we about to get into the vibes for the day. Let me focus. The vibes for the day, y'all already know what it is. We're gonna ride till the wheels fall off, you feel me? Until I find something better. I'm gonna buy something next time I get paid. But we got the pineapple lily, you know, get them vibes going. Set that back down so it won't spill. Man, get your vibes going for the day, get your scents going. When you smell good, you feel good. So let's get into this. So before I open this up, let me give a special shout out to my guy Chincho. Y'all can follow my guy. I'm gonna put his tags down here, somewhere down here, and I'm gonna put it in the description. Shout out to my guy. He one of the friends that I made in the fitted community. This is a real dope hat. Like he threw me a special price. Shout out to my guy Chincho, bruh. Real talk. Y'all about to see what's in this box. Y'all finna hear me shout this guy out the whole video because I'm really appreciative of this hat right here. But let's get into, I think I already told y'all how I got the hat. Threw me a special price. I went ahead and I copped it from him, and it came super quick. As soon as I paid for it, he shipped it out. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, as soon as I paid for it, my guy Chincho shipped the hat out. It was supposed to come Monday, but it came today, which is Saturday. So shout out to my guy. I don't know when we gonna see this video because I just did my gold digger collection video. I might post twice that week because I got like 3 more hats coming in. So let's get into this unboxing. I'm excited to unbox this hat. For real, I have like a lot of green hats, like no joke. I be buying green hats like it's crazy. This one you just gotta have in your collection. Now this fitted cap is going for like $280, $240. Last time I checked, it was like Grail and eBay. People are charging out the ass for this hat. Literally, like, the prices are crazy. But shout out to my guy Chincho for real. Is this him right here? Oh no, not yet. Wait. Shout out to my guy, because people are absolutely absurd with these prices. Unboxing it right now. Ooh, man, y'all gotta see it. Y'all ready for this one? 1, 2, bam! Right here, we got the Hat Club Frozen Tundra collection. The Arizona Diamondbacks. Like this logo right here, this is my first time having the rattlesnake logo, like this one right here. And we got I think this is my first 2001 World Series patch too for the Diamondbacks. So it's the first for everything. But let's get into it. We got this nice forest green with this nice icy blue brim with the black sweatband. Y'all know I love black sweatbands. This is really one of those, I ain't gonna say OG Hat Club, but when people first started You know what I'm saying? The hype with the custom fitted hats. This was before I started collecting, so this is really nice to have this hat. This is one of those ones though, like ones you gotta keep in the vault. Let's get into details. Like, I'm not gonna curve it today because like I just want to keep it on ice just for a little bit till this summer, then I'm gonna wear it. But shout out to my guy Chincho, for real. Yeah, man, this black sweatband go crazy. I'm not even gonna cap, I love black sweatbands. Check out the Batterman, flat Batterman. Got that forest green with that icy blue right here. What's that? New Era, the same as the rest of the hat, same as the button. Hat Club pin, of course. And I love this logo. Look at the copper around it. Just an amazing hat, for real. First time having this patch. Let me see something before. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can't wait to wear this one. I cannot wait to wear this one. Oh, you already know that's Bangladesh. Oh. Why do these hats fit different? Like this, what is this one? It's a Bangladesh. Why don't they make the rest of the Chinas like this one? Literally, cause like most of the Chinas that come out nowadays are just so small. Like especially with Hat Club, they are just like smaller. Like feel free to comment below. Like I'm, happy to get educated. So just let me know below. Like for real. Like can't wait to wear this hat. Super dope. This has been another unboxing with your boy Dalen the GOAT. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on post notifications. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. We might be there by the time I post this video. But anyway, just make sure you tap in with your boy. And shout out to my guy Chincho once again. For real, thank you. And with that being said, peace.